Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send a video in Discord. In this case, you have to go Discord first. Then you have to click on this plus icon. You can see here, right beside the message plus icon, and upload a file. Then it will redirect you to computer. Just go to your computer and select your file, video file, and then click on open. And now if you want to add some message, if you want to add some message here, you can add it here. Okay, now click on enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, your video is uploaded. Sorry, not this. Okay guys, so this is how you can upload, or this is how you can send a total or upload a total video in Discord. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.